Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to write an equation using a marker. So here we have a marker, one that I'm going to use to write an equation. So first, you're going to have to open the marker up by grabbing it on both sides and pulling outward. Then, you can take the end here, don't touch the end, but take it and put it on the board. Then, if you want to do a specific equation, all you have to do is move your hand downward and take it off. You'll have the first part, but there's still a lot more. Then, put the marker down to the right of it and move left. Take it off. Then, just repeat two more of the first line. One of them here and one of them here. So I'm going to repeat the first line over here, but instead it's in the middle of the second line. And then I'll make the fourth line, which is on the right side. So now you have this. It's like a little cross, and then there's two lines on the other side of it. Then, on the right side of it, you have to draw two lines going the other direction, and in the same area. So it looks like this, where both of the lines are going the same direction. And then finally, you draw the last part, which is, again, the same as this. Then you have equation. This is a pretty cool equation. Anyway, if you like this video, make sure to subscribe and I'll see you next time. Bye.